7 fears that are holding you back from success. Fear is one major factor why most people are too afraid to even try. Oftentimes, it paralyzes our will to succeed. To handle your anxieties with confidence, you don't have to keep running away from fear. There are ways to overcome and eradicate each and every fear you face. Here are 7 roadblocks in achieving success. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Fear of change. Change is common in this world. Nothing is really permanent. Worrying about change will only take us our present joy. Life is ever evolving, and we must prepare for the future to be able to adopt possible changes, maybe big or small. As a person, the moment that you stop adapting to changes is the moment that you stop growing. 2. Fear of uncertainty. Being afraid of the unknown will lead you to nowhere. Life is a huge whiteboard of uncertain things. It may be already been drawn, but we can still redraw. It is only how you choose to live your life. A strong desire to succeed is what will you keep moving forward regardless of your fears. In whatever you do, anticipation and desire are both necessary to fight the fear of uncertainty. Fear number 3. Fear of failure. There are things that you cannot control in life. What you can control is how you react to the situation. Fear of failure oftentimes results in blaming other people, even though we plan our life the way we want it to be. Failure can occur and ruin our plans. A great practice to minimize the impact of failure is to focus on things you can control. 4. Fear of rejection. Yes, rejection is a common part of our life. Even though we devote so much to do things what we like, there will still be people who will reject what we love to do. The best way is to simply ignore and believe that we are living the life as it should be. Number 5. Fear of missing out. You can tell that someone is fearful when they are always wishing that they could have done this or that, other than where they are right now. The problem is that you focus on what other people were doing, and it results in distractions from your goals. The best solution is to have a definite goal and push forward. Don't get distracted by a shiny object you encounter along the way. Number 6. Fear of being judged. It is common that we get tired of the judgmental attitude of our family, friends, bosses, and coworkers. But instead of being afraid of what other people think, embrace the fact that everyone is unique. Remember that those who don't follow the norm succeed. Last fear is fear of losing control. As for the final fear, we should take control of our fear or it will control us. Uncontrolled fear can paralyze success. Fear is the first obstacle you will encounter in your life. Although I gave ideas on how you can counter it, still, how you react to fear itself will determine the path you are walking on.